or welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a fun winter DIY. This is transforming what I already had into something a little bit different. So I have here a snowman, and I've picked this up, I believe, from the Christmas tree shop a long while ago. And now I want to change my snowman into a snow lady and glam her up and make her look pretty. I want to give you a little shot of the before of my snowman on the wall, and that way we could compare it to the end. So let's get into it. So I got this snowman, guys. It hangs up, as you see, with the twine, and it's very boy-like. And I decided this year I want to switch it into a cute, glammy girl. So I've got some supplies here. I figured to swap out the greenery with the white. And then I have here, this is a mug sleeve that I never did anything with, so I thought maybe this would be good for the snowman's scarf here somehow. So I was thinking that. And then I'm gonna have to leave the black, so I was thinking maybe I could dress it up with a pink bow. I got some blings, and then I don't have a lot of pink material, but I have some of this on hand, and I'm hoping it will be enough to cover my lady's shirt. First, I'm gonna start by removing the buttons. I'm gonna remove the greenery and the little snowflakes that are on the branches here. Removing the scarf and everything that I want to replace. I was originally gonna use this pink fabric, but I didn't have enough, so I'm gonna end up using this purple fabric, which is from an old shirt. Now I'm just measuring on paper about how large I want to cut out my fabric. I cut out 2 pieces from my old shirt, and then I glue right sides together so that I could flip it right side out. I cut a tiny hole at the top so I could slide this over the snowman's head. Where you see the rough edges, I'm going to be tucking under and gluing with my hot glue gun the best that I can, and trimming here and there to make this fit and cover the entire blue shirt. I'm still gluing and tucking and trying to just cover up the blue shirt and make it look as natural and in place as it could be. I'm working on the back, and that's where it's a little challenging, but in all honesty, this part is going to be against the wall and we aren't going to see it. So I'm going to make it look as neat as possible and finish up the rest. Here's how her shirt turned out, and I think it looks perfect. And now I'm going to use this mug sleeve from the Dollar Tree and cut it apart and use it for the border around her hat and her scarf. I did decide to save the white fringe, so I stuck the fringe in the bottom and folded the sequin strip in half, and that's how the scarf is going to look. Here's where I'm using the extra piece to put around the border of her hat to cover up that red that was there before. Finish off her hat, I'm adding this gorgeous pink bow. Next, I'm using the lace that was on the bottom of the shirt. I just cut some off so I could tie it around her shoes and make them more pretty. Next, I decided I did not want the twine, and I wanted to replace that with some white trim and hang up my snowman with some white ribbon as well. And that's how the white trim turned out. And now I'm gonna add these white branches, which is the last bit of leftover I have of the white Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree, to her hands. How cute is my snow lady, guys? I transformed him to a her. You see the sequin on the hat, that trim there that covered the red. I put this cute pink bow. That's a Dollar Tree bow. This is the rest of the sequins from that mug, the mug sleeve. And then I used the little fringe that was on the original scarf, and I re-glued that in. Her hands I made white, holding the white branches and the white snowflakes with the cute little blingies. And I did that on both sides. And then we got the pearl trim down here. Instead of the twine, I used this pretty white eyelash trim just to tie up these branches, because they will be loose and start falling apart. And then down on her little feet, I tied a little lace bow and added a little bling in the middle. Alright guys, that is it for today. That was my snowman into snow lady transformation. Simple, super easy, using all supplies I already had on hand. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.